This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sue Robb. Rarely available Bimini floor plan in Southmont Cove at Lexington with southern exposure and panoramic lake views from your third floor Lanai. Crown molding and neutral colors throughout, built-in desk in third bedroom, recently updated kitchen with granite and stainless steel appliances. New air conditioner in February 2020. Extra high ceilings give unit a spacious feel. Lanai features sliders to enclose for year-round use. Lake Village location means pay-as-you-play golf without the high-hoa fees and assessments. Lexington is not in the city and not in a CDD, so low county-only taxes. Come see all the terrific amenities our wonderful community has to offer, and all just 5 miles from the beaches. New roofs currently being installed on all buildings, should keep insurance costs low. For more information, review the details below.